Buddy. Yeah, okay. Alright. So today we're going to do a tutorial on how to keep our buddy happy. So the first step we're going to do is we're going to realize what he wants. And I've been able to interpret buddy language, and murmur means more. Murmur, more. And the trick is to follow murmur with what? So let's ask Buddy. 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 You want something? You want something? Yes, more of what? What would you like? You want these? Yeah, you want that. So once we've determined that it's the cat grass, once we determine it's cat grass, we need to do the second step, which is acquire the equipment. Cat grass. Now this product we got from, I believe it was Amazon, and I'll give you a look at the brand here if you want to take a look at that. This bag we've had for about slightly under a year. So today is April. Yeah, I think we got this in May. Second item, again, is delicious pistachio sorbet from Talenti. Eat up the sorbet, keep the container, remove the lid, rinse it thoroughly, drill holes, and now you have the perfect vessel for your cat grass production. Now you're talking quantity. What are we going to do? Well, this is a pint, so I'm going to add cat grass. So it fills about half of the container. So you're saying, why half of the container? Well, what's going to happen is we're going to rinse, repeat, and these seedlings are going to soak up the water and begin to germinate. And when they do, they expand. How much so? Twice their capacity. Okay, again, depending on how much cat grass you want to make, is how much you're going to put into your container and the size of your container. I find this one to be perfect. For the next 6 to 8 hours, which is perfect for an overnight or overday, depending on what time you begin the process. So 6 to 8 hours in a soak, and in that meantime you can have some fun and play with your little kitty. Alright? Okay, we are at 8 hours, and although it's a different kind of lighting here, we're still at about that 3/4 of the way full, but there's a tinge. Yeah, which means rinse time.
They were trying to get in front of me so they could take the head off the bench. And I was like,
And in the meantime, we've got significant germination here happening with our grass. But now I think we need to take this to the next level. So we are a day and a half into Project Catgrass, and as you can see, basically our Talenti container is full. Now it's not totally full. There's some good spacing in between there, but realistically what we're looking at, if you take a close peek here, we're starting to see some sprouting, some germination. One end of these guys goes into the ground and the other one shoots up into the air. Actually, two of them go in the ground, one goes in the air. I don't know, it's a three-prong approach. But at this point we enter into the next phase of our catgrass production line, which is the dirt. So just in case you forgot why we were doing this, it's because of guys like him who love the catgrass. So okay, so as you can see, what we have here is a sleepy cat and potential catgrass flat. And all we do, kind of spray Day 2, Project Catgrass. As you can see, the top paper towel is still moist, which means there should be, yes, activity down there. Alright, so we're just looking for these guys to blossom up. Alright, do your thing. Help that happen, we're going to spray it down. And cover. Late night check-in. Feels still kind of damp. Just want to see what we're looking like. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Still kinda... So this is good. So at this point, we've got roots going in the dirt,